Years, Texas has been planning a multi-billion bullet train project to connect Houston to Dallas and intersect parts of the Brazos Valley. KRHD reporter Rebecca Fiedler is bringing us breaking news on the resignation of CEO Carlos Aguilar and what this and pending litigation might mean for the company.
Texas Central's CEO, Carlos Aguilar, announced his resignation from the high-speed rail company via his LinkedIn account over the weekend. He issued a long statement that his announcement comes as a reaction to international news, commenting, "While I could not align our current stakeholders on a common vision for a path forward, I wish the project the greatest success and remain convinced of the importance of this venture for the safety and prosperity of all Texans." Word has spread to an opposing nonprofit, Texans Against High-Speed Rail, that Texas Central board member Drayton McLean has also left the company, though KRHD News could not confirm this directly from McLean or Texas Central. European news company La Información reported on the issue due to Spanish company Renfe's involvement in the project. La Información's article states that almost the entire management team has abandoned the company. Texas Central's website lists no persons under their leadership directory at this time.
We are kind of concerned, though, that it's been 6 months since the Texas Supreme Court reopened the case against Texas Central, and there's been no decision that's been handed down. And that tends to have really a very chilling effect on progress, and it does put investors on hold.
In the recent case of Jim Miles versus Texas Central, Miles is a Leon County landowner who has taken Texas Central to court, claiming the company is not yet a legitimate railroad company with right to take his land by way of eminent domain.
I'm still calling upon the Texas legislature to take steps to ensure that eminent domain and condemnation is not abused like this in the future. Private property rights have to mean something in Texas.
Those in favor of the train note that it will be privately funded, will only use a small sliver of land, and that the company has met nearly all federal requirements for operating as a full-fledged railroad company. Texans Against High-Speed Rail believe that Texas Central has not been considerate of rural landowners and private citizens. They eagerly await what they think could be the end of an unwanted project.
When the captain abandoned ship, it's done. I think the Texas Supreme Court case, we're still optimistic that case will come out on the right side, and that will basically put a nail in the coffin.
Reporting in the Brazos Valley, Rebecca Fiedler, KRHD News.